Good morning kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Myself Pragya from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. So kids, our today's topic is write the missing letters. Write the missing letter. As we can see, some letters are given and some are missing over here. So we have to write the missing letters. So take out your English workbook 2 and open page number 9393. Parents are requested to mention date and classwork at the top. And kids, as we can see, some boxes are given over here. So you have to write the missing letter in these boxes. Okay? So sharpen your pencil and start writing. Here our first letter is missing. So tell me, what is the first letter in alphabet, or which letter comes before B? So yes, it's A. So here we will write lowercase letter A. Put your pencil here and draw curve and standing line. Lowercase letter A. B. Now here one letter is missing. So which letter comes after B? Yes, it's C. So here we will write lowercase letter C. Put your pencil here and draw curve like this. Lowercase letter C. D. And here which letter comes? Yes, it's E. So write lowercase letter E, slipping line and curve. Lowercase letter E. F. Now again one letter is missing over here. So which letter comes after F? Yes, it's G. So here we will write lowercase letter G. Put your pencil here and draw curve. And now standing line and turn. Lowercase letter G. F, G, and again one letter is missing. So which letter comes after G? Yes, it's H. So here we will write lowercase letter H. Standing line, moving up with the same line, curve, again standing line. Lowercase letter H. I, J, and which letter comes after J? Yes, it's K. So here we will write lowercase letter K. Standing line. And now two slanting line up and down like this. Lowercase letter K. L. Now tell me which letter comes after L? Yes, it's M. So here we will write lowercase letter M. Standing line, moving up with the same line, curve, again standing line, moving up with the same line, curve, and again small standing line. Lowercase letter M, N, and one letter is missing. So tell me which letter comes after N? Yes, it's O. So here we will write lowercase letter O. Put your pencil here and draw lowercase letter O. Lowercase letter So tell me which letter comes after O? Yes, it's P. So here we will write lowercase letter P. So put your pencil here, draw standing line like this and curve. P, Q, and here one letter is missing. So which letter comes after Q? Yes, it's R. So here we will write lowercase letter R. Standing line, moving up with the same line, turn. R, S, yes, one letter is missing over here. So which letter comes after S? Yes, it's T. S, T. So here we will write lowercase letter T. Standing line, turn, and small sleeping line over it. S, T, U. Now again one letter is missing over here. So tell me which letter comes after U? Yes, it's V. So here we will write lowercase letter V. So put your pencil here and draw slanting line and again slanting line like this. Lowercase letter V. V, W, and one letter is missing here also. So which letter comes after W? Yes, it's X. So here we will write lowercase letter X. Slanting line and again slanting line. X, Y, and the last one. Yes, tell me which letter comes after Y? Yes, it's Z. So here we will write lowercase letter Z. Slipping line, slanting line, slipping line. Lowercase letter Z. So kids, like this you have to complete the pages 93, 93, 94, 94 and 95, 95 in your English workbook too. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.